Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to write our first program, Hello World, using Java. To run our first program on Java we need the following requirements: Java JDK and an IDEA. First we have to check if we have Java installed to that. Open the command prompt and type java --version. As you can see, I have Java version 19.0.1 installed. For our IDEA, we will be using intellij. IDEA from JetBrains. I already have intellij installed in my Windows computer, so I will just open it. If you don't have any of the above, you can check my channel. There is a video on how to install Java JDK and intellij. My IDEA is now open. To create your first project, go to New Project. Check your JDK. IT should be Oracle Open JDK. I am using version 19. You can download the JDK if you don't find it or change the version. Name your project. I will call it Hello World. You can give it any name. Check the location. You can change it if you want to. I will just leave it like that. You can also add to Git repository. Check the language to be sure it is Java. Also check the build system to be sure it is intellij. My new project has been created. To start writing code in Java, we need to create the package, class, and finally the method, and we can start writing code. To create the package, first we go to the source file. src, right-click on the src. Go to New. Scroll down and click on Package. Now we can give our package a name. I name my package Hello World. You can give your package any name. Before naming your package in Java, know that in Java, package names should be lowercases. As you can see, my package has been created. A package is folder or container that holds Java files. Now we create our class. To create my class, I will right-click on the package. Click New. And choose Java class. A class is a set of Java files in the package. I will name my class. When naming a class in Java, it must begin with an uppercase. Contain no spaces. Each word should begin with an uppercase. As you can see, our class and package has been created. We can declare our class and start writing our code. Now we are going to create our method. We create the method in the class. We can create our method as follows. Our method has been created successfully. Now we write our print statement. Hello World. This is how we write the print statement in Python. Since hello world is a string, we are going to use double quotes. In Java, double quotes are used to write strings. We can't use single quotes. And the code ends with a semicolon. To run our program, right-click anywhere and go to Run Hello World. As you can see from the console below, Hello World has been printed out. This is how you write your first Java program. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.